Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Apple ID at Apple. Apple.com using a trusted device. Enter your Apple ID and password, then accept the verification code on a trusted phone or device. Once signed in, navigate to the security section to change settings. Make sure you can receive texts or calls on the trusted number because you'll need it for confirmation. This initial step gets you into the account control panel where the two-factor authentication toggle, if available, will appear. You now find the security area and tap Edit to expose two-factor authentication settings. If a turn-off option is visible, choose it and follow prompts to confirm your trusted phone number and account password. Apple sends a confirmation code to finalize the change. If the option is not present, that means Apple requires two-factor for your account or device. Don't force changes. In that case, continue to the next step to handle required accounts or contact Apple for exceptions. Complete the process by entering the final confirmation code and reviewing the trusted phone numbers, removing any you no longer use. If the turn-off control was not available, Apple may mandate two-factor for security reasons. In that case, contact Apple support from support. Apple.com or use the support app on an Apple device. If options are missing or grayed out, make sure your device and browser are updated, clear caches. Then try again. These fixes often restore the missing UI elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.